Welcome to the Hydraulic Press channel. Today we have bowling special. We have this nice big bowling ball and one pin. I made this pressing tool first for the pin to press it like this, but it's too tall for our press, so I think I have to press it like this, laying down. And I think we start with the pin and then go with the ball. Let's see. So as expected, the pin loose and the press wins. There is quite soft wood inside the plastic shell, so it hadn't any chance against our press. I think the bowling ball is going to be much more exciting. And here we go! Nice to have that blast here. That was our version of Saturday bowling night. I think we have quite a good time. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. And for today's extra content, we have these motherfucking snakes on this motherfucking press. Let's press them!